Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Yahoo Mail not working. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if Yahoo Mail here is not working properly or you're having some issues, well, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check your interconnectivity. Now, sometimes you may have accidentally connected to a different Wi-Fi. Sometimes your speed or your Wi-Fi here would be really slow. So at the bottom right of the screen, you want to go and click on your Wi-Fi signal or your internet connectivity. Go ahead and expand the option for Wi-Fi and just make sure that you're connected to a proper internet Wi-Fi or the correct Wi-Fi here. Now, another thing that you may want to check here is going to be the time on your PC. Now, sometimes if the time on your PC is incorrect, this will lead to a number of issues when you're visiting different websites. So in this case, at the bottom right here, go and click on the time on your PC. Go ahead and choose or right click on the time here and just choose the option that says adjust date and time. Now from here, you want to go ahead and set this to automatically or set time zone automatically here. You can also choose a region here or a time zone. But I like just using the set time zone automatically and set time automatically here for me, and that should fix any issues that you may be wondering or having right now. Now, also you may want to do is you may want to go ahead and clear the cache on your PC. Now, cache here, or CACHE, are temporary files that is stored in your browser. Now, to clear that, you want to go and click on the three-dotted option at the top right of the screen, and you want to go and choose the settings option here. Now, inside settings, you want to go ahead and choose the option for privacy and security. Inside here, you want to go and choose the delete browsing data. Now, it is recommended that you also clear out cookies, your browsing history, cache images and files, which what we are doing right now, your download history. Now, I would recommend you to at least choose like last 7 days, but it is also a good time to clear out all data, or in this case, all information in the last 4 weeks. Now, just keep in mind, if you don't want to delete any passwords or save password in your account, just make sure to disable autofill form data and also the option for cookies and other site data. But then again, if you're really having issues, just include cookies and other site data. If you want to manage other Google data here, you can go ahead and choose this one as well. And if you want to just keep your password, you can go and just keep this as is. But yeah, go and click on delete data at the bottom right of your screen, and that should do you good. And that's about it. Now, after doing so, just restart your PC or your browser here and see if that helps. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.